In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Monday.com with Slack so your team can automate notifications, streamline communication, and keep everything in sync without constantly switching between apps. This integration is perfect for project updates, status changes, new task alerts, and even creating items directly from Slack messages. By the end of this video, you'll have your Monday board connected to Slack and fully automated. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the specific board where you want to set up the Slack integration. This is important because integrations in Monday are board-specific, meaning each board can have its own custom automations, so make sure you're on the correct board before moving forward. Now, at the top right corner of your board, look for the Integrate button. It has a small plug-shaped icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the Integration Center, where you can connect Monday.com with other tools and services. Inside the Integration Center, you'll see a list of available apps. Scroll through the options or use the search bar to find Slack. Once you see Slack in the list, click on it to open the available integration recipes. Monday.com uses pre-built automation templates called recipes. These recipes make it easy to connect actions between Monday and Slack without needing any technical skills. Next, you'll need to choose the Slack integration recipe that fits your workflow. For example, you might see options like when a status changes, send a message to a Slack channel, or when an item is created, notify someone in Slack, or even create an item when a message is posted in Slack. Take a moment to think about what you want to automate. If you want your team to be notified whenever a task moves to done, choose the status change recipe. If you want Slack messages to automatically generate tasks in Monday, choose the item creation recipe. Once you've selected the recipe that works for you, click Add to Board. This will attach the automation template to your current board and prompt you to connect your Slack account. A pop-up window will now appear asking you to connect to Slack. Click the Connect button. You'll be redirected to Slack's authorization page. If you're part of multiple Slack workspaces, choose the correct workspace where you want the integration to operate. After selecting the workspace, review the permissions that Monday.com is requesting. These permissions allow Monday to send messages or read certain data depending on the recipe you selected. When you're ready, click Allow to authorize the connection. Once approved, you'll be redirected back to Monday.com's configuration window. Now it's time to customize the automation. Here, you'll select the specific Slack channel where messages should be sent to or received from. You can also define details like which status triggers the notification, which person should be tagged, and what the message text should say. Many recipes allow you to insert dynamic fields, such as item name, due date, or status label, so your Slack messages automatically include relevant information. Carefully configure each field based on your workflow. This ensures the automation works exactly how your team needs it to. Once everything is set up, click Done or Activate depending on the recipe. Your integration is now live. From this point forward, whenever the trigger condition is met on your Monday board, Slack will automatically send notifications or create items based on the rules you defined. This can save hours of manual updates and reduce miscommunication across teams. And that's it. You successfully integrated Monday.com with Slack. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.